To fix a Samsung top-load washing machine that doesn't fill with water, several potential issues can be explored. One possibility is that the water supply is inadequate, resulting in insufficient water pressure that interrupts the flow of water into the washer. To confirm, try opening other taps in the house to determine if the water supply is functioning properly. If the water supply is not the issue, the problem may lie with the piping, in which case seeking plumbing services could be necessary. Another potential cause is a faulty faucet that supplies water to the washer. Check if the faucets are open, and if so, inspect them for wear and tear or blockages, as these could be preventing water from flowing. Replacing the faucets may be necessary if they are damaged. Additionally, the water inlet hose may be clogged, which would prevent water from flowing. To address this, start by shutting off the water supply and removing the hose from the washer. Then, place the hose in a sink and attempt to pass water through it to check for blockages. If the hose is clogged, a solution of vinegar and baking soda can be used to clean it. Once the hose is clean, it can be reinstalled on the washer, potentially resolving the issue. By exploring these possible causes and taking the necessary steps to address them, it may be possible to fix a Samsung top-load washing machine that doesn't fill with water.